Did you know that the Slacker family has built a $14 billion fortune selling OxyContin, a drug that kills more people than heroin and cocaine? Combined, they literally kill more people than drug cartels, and their drug is FDA approved. The company that produces OxyContin, Purdue Pharma, is currently being sued for an ad campaign released several years ago. Here is the ad and why it is so wrong.
There's no question that our best, strongest pain medicines are the opioids, but these are the same drugs that have a reputation for causing addiction and other terrible things. Now, in fact, the rate of addiction amongst pain patients who are treated by doctors is much less than 1%.
This is a totally incorrect statistics. In fact, according to the Scientific American, about 12% of people addicted to opioids started taking them for chronic pain. They get hooked on these drugs during treatment and continue to down spiral afterwards. Of those who began abusing opioids in the 2000s, 75% reported that their first opioid was a prescription drug. Examining national level general population heroin data, nearly 80% of heroin users reported using prescription opioids prior to heroin. Additionally, prescribed opioids provide a pathway to addiction in people who are not treated by doctors. Many opioid addictions get access to the drugs from people they know who receive prescriptions from doctors. Therefore, opioids prescriptions are both a direct and indirect cause of dependency and addiction.
They don't wear out, they go on working, they do not have serious medical side effects.
Common side effects of opioid administration include sedation, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, constipation, physical dependence, tolerance, and respiratory depression. Less common side effects may include delayed gastric emptying, hyperalgesia, immunologic and hormonal dysfunction, muscle rigidity, and myoclonus. The most common side effects of opioid usage are constipation, which has a very high incidence, and nausea. These two side effects can be difficult to manage, and frequently tolerance to them does not develop. They may be severe enough to require opioid discontinuation and contribute to underdosing and inadequate analgesia.
And so these drugs, which I repeat are our best, strongest pain medications, should be used much more than they are for patients in pain.
Opioid use should be cut back by doctors. Here are some depictions of tragedies that possibly could have been avoided.